Welcome back to Your Floor Electrician. Well, I'm excited. My EcoFlow is here. My whole home backup and my smart home panel too. This is going to be something. Can't wait to get this inside and open it up. Power's been going out here 3 times in 3 months. Desperately needed. Let's check it out. All right, so this is the EcoFlow Delta Pro Ultra. All right, I think this is just the inverter. I bet you the battery's coming tomorrow or something. But yeah, I want to open it up. This is the inverter, and this is the smart home panel. Yeah, let's check it out. Yep, that's definitely the inverter. Let's make some room. I would like to point out something I don't think anybody's pointed out before. All the wheels lock. They all lock. Unlike a toolbox or something where just one side locks and the other one's free spin. All of these lock. That is a good idea. And that's heavy too. All right, here's the inverter, and I have to mention something. Getting it out of the box. This thing is heavy. Maybe about 60 pounds or 70 pounds. It's pretty heavy. It's a real deal, man. But on here, it just flows. Wow, this is good. Good craftsmanship. Yep, a couple 20 amp outlets there. A couple more 20 amp outlets. 30 amp. Oh, this might be a 50. 50. Yep. But no battery, no power. All right, now for the Smart Home 2 panel. Look at how nicely they protected the bus bar. That is nice how they did that, and it's pre-wired for the outlets, so that's super nice. I'm liking it already. And at the very bottom of the box, we have another box. I'm guessing this is going to be the connecting cable. Yes. That's the cable to connect the Smart Home Panel 2 to the inverter. Nice. I didn't think it comes with it, but it does. I've got the inverter. It's heavy. And the electrical panel for 12 circuits. Waiting for the batteries and the solar panels. Ooh, that's heavy. Wow. Okay, you need to see this. And it rolls so easily. Thank goodness. This is heavy. That thing is solid. That thing is solid. Oh, it locks in too with a screwdriver. Give it a little turn. And for some reason that didn't work. Maybe I didn't push in far enough. DC. Power. Oh boy. Some solar in. Yep. That looks like a 20 ampere. Oof. 30 amp or 50 amp. It's so dark in here, I can't see. And your outlets. Wow. Ooh. It has power. 30% currently. And that's kind of neat. Gives you a little indication how much power you have here as well. And that's probably something I did. No noise at all. It's one thing I like about this kind of thing. It is quiet. All right, I'm gonna hook it up to my phone. Okay, so I just plugged it into the wall because I don't have solar yet. And it's just plugged into an outlet here. And it's charging from that. And there's a setting. You either have slow or fast. This is fast, so it's pulling 1700 watts. Okay, so you can see that's changing. So I have a setting here that says slow or fast. So if I wanted to charge it slowly, I can probably hit that. And then that number changes. Man, this thing is like a mirror. So it charges at 600 watts. Pretty interesting. But I want to get the solar connected. I'm guessing while it's charging slowly, the 9 hours and 4 minutes is how long it'll take at that speed to charge fully. Charging. Pretty cool. All right, so here's what it looks like on this screen. 37% charged. And I got power coming in from an outlet, slowly charging it until I get the solar set up. Pretty cool.